There are other ways which you can also get web developed. Okay, it doesn't necessarily have to be by actually being able to be outright a coder, like using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python. You don't really need all those complete, whatever tools. All right. Based on technology these days, people have developed other platforms which can be used by non experts of codes, and they are called no code web design tools. An example is WordPress. Now, WordPress is a tool that you can use to get um, you can use WordPress to design a website by just dragging and dropping some things. You get a theme and you modify it, and you have a website. It even helps you to get up to the point of building an e-commerce site. You can build a landing page, you can build a squeeze page, all on WordPress. Now we have another one called Webflow. The same thing. You can build a complete website using Webflow. Complete website, complete e-commerce package with Webflow. We also have Wix. All right, you can use Wix and design your website. You also have Squarespace. So they are more of drag and drops. As long as you can use a computer, as long as you can use Microsoft Word, you can use your mouse, you can drag things around, you can develop a website using that. They make it so easy. Just have to be online and use their tools. So you don't have to really bother yourself too much on the coding, because um, one thing is very certain, that when you learn coding or you learn any skill for so long and you don't earn from it, after a while you start feeling frustrated. It tends to be difficult. That's what people say. But they forget that the person that goes to school to learn that same skill is going to take 5 or more years to learn that skill and come out and may not even get a job. But you can learn that skill and start implementing it almost immediately. You can learn that skill and start making money by having freelance jobs, by having some subcontracts, and getting things done. I know most of you have some skills and you would like to turn your skills to profit. So why don't you click on my bio, follow my link, and let's have a chat on how you want to convert that your skill to money quickly, fast. Okay? Click on my bio. Check it out.